Hey, Todd at Random again. Welcome to an episode of trying to fit a scoop back onto the car. So I had look at my hair. Yeah. Yes, I'm probably gonna go bald, but such is life, bros. Anyway, welcome to Fit the Scoop episode, which was repaired brilliantly by ADH Customs. It was cracked in the corner here and he sorted it out for me. Done a brilliant job. Can't really tell unless you're like super close up, but apart from that it's cool. But the problem we've got is, unfortunately, with the eventuri scoop, they're quite brittle, the mounting points. So if you have a look, I'll switch around so you guys can do this a bit better, more professionally. Look at my big ass fucking fingers. Oh, my fingers look so big. Anyway, we'll switch it around, but basically the mount points, which are here, and here, have snap off with the eventuri scoop. I don't know why. Bit shoddy, but we've still got the two on the side, and then obviously I've gone super ham and used some double-sided sticky tape all over, so we're going to use that to mount it with the bolt. There is a bolt here in the middle which sits there, so it's not the end of the world, but yeah, you wouldn't expect it from something that costs this much money, personally, but such is life. So what we're going to have to try and do is get these fuckers out, because these little clips are a nightmare, but they're what seat this scoop to the actual car. So we're gonna give it a try and get them out, and we'll see how lucky I am. I got the tools prepared and it's raining, but it's fucking, yeah, let's give it a try. Let's see what happens, guys. Alright, okay, there's a lot of noise, a lot of shit going on, but let's try. I'm in my, I'm in all the time, but we'll give it a go. Dad's usually on the channel, I know that, but it's a Sunday and he's getting old. He's like super old, so he's probably still in bed at this time. Whenever I go up and we do stuff together, I usually have to get there at 1 PM and he's still getting out of bed. So don't worry, he's still alive, he's still cool, but I thought this is easy enough for me to do on my own. Possibly do on my own, but we'll find out. Oh. Woo. I got one off, but it's slightly broken, but two more, so we'll try to get the other two and see what happens. This shit is fucking useless. You know what, I'm going to show you. I'll show you guys what the fuck I'm dealing with. Alright. This is either going to be terrible or terrible. Yeah, there you go. So the clips, oh, that's just me clicking the bonnet, but the clips are here, look. It's a nightmare, because they're like three-pronged, but when you squeeze them together, they kind of collapse. If you have a look at that one, it's kind of collapsed, so it's a bit of a bitch to get off, but we'll keep going. Let me cut that one. Okay, as I was saying, sorry, because I cut my head off. I don't know if I'm still cutting my head off. I'm quite tall, so it's a bit weird, but yeah, basically, we use the Halfords trim tool. With this, these are the clips, they sit around the edge. I'll show you in a second. I had to squeeze and crush them. A good tip, Halfords trim tool, really good tool, really useful. You can use it inside and outside the car, so it's good. I like using it. It's worth the money. Anyway, it's helped me out a lot. So what we're going to do now is clean this area up. Typical generic spray, just to get all the dirt off. I understand it's detailer spray, so it will put a coating around the edge, but I also bought alongside some alcohol wipes to make sure that the area is clean when we're going to stick it down. So we use these to clean off the edge where the tape's going to go. Hopefully it'll stick it down. We're going to put 2 of these clips back on either side, so the left and the right, because we can't do the other 4, and we'll see if it's going to hold. So I'll do the boring stuff. Yep, make sure it's super clean. It's really dirty actually. Look, it's dirty. So doing a good job. And then, like I said, we've got these mounting points. We need to find the best of the 2. Well, we need to find the best 2 to slot in. So I think it's going to be more like half and half. Oh. I'll explain how fucking shit this thing is when you want to stay in with that. Might actually have to stick them in, like glue them in with glue, because they're coming out straight away basically. Yeah, now we prep that, just got to remove all this sticky tape. See? See how terrible that is? You know what, I'm gonna get some glue. No fucking, I'm gonna glue them in place. Okay my dudes, basically I've removed all the backing of the double-sided sticky tape just because I thought you'd get bored just watching me do it like a moron. So yeah, I've removed all the tape. We've got points here all around the edges, and then I've glued these clips back in. So now's the moment of truth, because we've got to put it in, hold it in position for a bit, lift the bonnet up, and tighten the bolt, and hopefully it's going to stay in and stay on, but we'll find out. Yeah, clip. Oh boy, I think we're in business, lads. I think we're in business. Get over it. Oh, it's good. I think we're in business. I think we're in business. And as I said, the bolt underneath. Bro, it should have its fucking food, but there we go. Don't want to lose that. Alright, so we're gonna have to like slightly pull it down towards because of where the hole is. Like fat Mexican. Yeah. So there's the hole where the bolt's gotta go. So we got to pull it. If I pull it down a little bit, if you watch, yeah, see, it just moves it down a little bit, which makes it easier. So that's what we got to do now. And I think we're in business. She's back on. Nice. It's a really nice looking scoop, and it's functional. So yeah, that's it. Back on. The bolt's not tightening completely all the way. I don't know why, but it's on. It's safe, secure. It's not gonna come off. So we're good to go, guys. So yeah, that's how you fit a scoop if it's fucked. Just get some double-sided sticky tape. Make sure that the bolt's good. Put it all together. Make sure you clean it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And oh yeah, the giveaway. I'm repeating myself here. The giveaway. I'm gonna give it a month. So 1 month from now, to let more people enter the competition, because I think there's only like 4 or 5 right now. So let's get some more people there. Obviously, you need to subscribe as well. Be subscribed, as well as doing the phrase. So if you can give me the phrase and you subscribed, I'm gonna give it a month from the time the video was posted, just to see if we can get some more people on there, because I don't think it's fair. Like, if you got like 5 or 6 people, it's not a lot. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back soon with another one. But we're in, lads. We're in business. In business.